Throughout our country, there are children who are struggling to read. Over the years, we've implemented various programs trying to increase literacy in our classrooms, but we still have too many children who are struggling to read and are at risk. Today, you have the opportunity to change this for the children in your schools. My name is Lori Berland. I'm a teacher and the designer of the Reading Superstars Learning to Read program. I spent most of my teaching career in first grade, teaching our children to read. The Reading Superstars was designed because my students were not reading as well as they should be with any of the programs that were available. I needed a learning to read program that would be easy to teach to my students, easy for my students to learn, and would consistently provide positive and immediate results so that not only would my students become readers, but they would enjoy reading. Year after year, with the Reading Superstars Learning to Read program, my students thrived. How did my students end the year? Everyone reading on grade level, and consistently 75 to 80% of my students finished the year reading a year and a half, and some 2 years above grade level. Isn't that cool? And your teachers can do this also. With their participation in one Reading Superstar Teacher Workshop, your teachers will be introduced to our successful learning to read process. They will learn fun and effective teaching strategies, and they will bring concrete skills into the classroom. Whether their students are learning to read or struggling to read, the Reading Superstars will help your teachers teach their students to read. What makes the Reading Superstar Learning to Read program so powerful? The Reading Superstars is a complete learning to read program. It incorporates all the skills our children need to become successful readers. Our proprietary phonetic decoding process, an amazing formula that works to decode all words, short vowels, long vowels, vowel combinations. Even when we start to break words into syllables, your students will use the same formula, a formula designed for immediate success. Sight words, the key to reading fluency, are taught in a strategic sequence of learning lessons, a sequence that promotes retention, fluency, and confidence in our young learners. Reading comprehension, so important. Reading comprehension activities are built into every Reading Superstar lesson. With the Reading Superstars, your students will become independent readers, confident readers, fluent readers, successful readers. And you will have happy teachers, happy parents, and happy administrators. The Reading Superstars can be easily taught to your teachers and will be fun for your kids. So, are you ready to get started? Are you ready to have your students become successful readers? Aren't your students worth it? Schedule your Reading Superstar Teacher Workshop today. Empower your K-2 teachers with the skills they need to help their students become successful readers. Schedule your Reading Superstar Teacher Workshop now. My name is Lori Berland. I'm the designer of the Reading Superstars Learning to Read program. I look forward to working with your teachers.